What's up guys, Presley Yong here back for another video, and today we're going to talk about should you install iOS 16 beta on your iOS device. So obviously this is my main device, the 12 Pro Max, and currently it's on iOS 15.5, and hopefully we can get F15.6 soon before the iOS 16. And of course the main question many people is going to ask, should I install the iOS 16 beta 1 now? It's difficult question to answer because Apple just released the first beta version. So obviously if you want to install, it's very simple. If you want quick access, just go betaprofile.com and then you can get the iOS 16 in download. But the main question is whether you should install. Okay, so iOS 16 in has a lot of bugs and issues that should be appear on the device, but certain people, when I search some on YouTube, they say it's okay, it's stable, everything is fine and looks okay. But and also but I found other people say they also got other bug. Maybe it's like not like specific device. Let's say maybe it's stable on the 13 Pro Max and the 12 Pro Max, and maybe not on the 10s or 10R. I don't know, it depends on person preference. And most of the time I would say do not install because of one reason. Number one is that your apps, let's say your banking apps, your apps can open. Let's say Gmail, you can open your Gmail, your WhatsApp can open. Sometimes it can, because it depends on developer with they update the app in the iOS 16, make sure it's stable, everything. And of course, and also the second reason is that maybe your favorite games back then iOS 15 beta, I was actually it's iPad OS, the iPad got right there. Whereas install iPad 15 beta, it actually make my this game Genshin Impact cannot open the game. So I had to even though I uninstall and install again, it still like show when you go in and then the game just jump out, like you cannot do anything. So I removed the iOS beta and then restore it, and then I just install it back, and then it works perfectly fine. So just keep in mind that certain games probably can be played if you play on iOS beta. I didn't install it so that because my favorite game Genshin Impact, obviously 2.7, so a good version on the Genshin Impact. And moreover is that certain stuff like features, let's say the iOS 16, they introduced the new lock screen on the device. They also not every lock screen in I mean the lock screen design, and I guess you can edit, you can put like the front lock screen up there, a lot of good stuff up on top on it. And maybe it's not completely like done. Maybe in iOS 16 we might get more features on the lock screen. You might not know because Apple always put something on it, because beta 1 they show what feature appear in WWDC, and then 2, 3, 4, 5 they start to get stable and they actually add more features to it. So and also if you want to install, there's two methods you want to do. It's either you go to the iosbeta.com, or you wait for even better stable public beta. That's the public beta. It's very simple. You just go Apple public beta program and then just sign up. It's pretty simple and very easy. And of course, in conclusion, I would say do not install it. But if you want to install, I suggest you to install on the secondary device, the device that don't use but support iOS 16. Let's say you have your main phone is 13 Pro Max or 12 Pro Max, but your old phone is actually an 8 Plus or iPhone 10. Then you can use this device to install beta and show what features it will appear. So while it appears, it also appears on the other device, your new device soon. And unfortunately, iPhone 7 does not support it. So if you have iPhone 7, you cannot install this beta because it doesn't work. iPhone 8 Plus model, yes, you accept it. So yeah, that's about it. Do not install. If you want to install, go ahead. It's a bit risk. Make sure you back up your phone before you install it. And I'll see you in the next video. And of course, this is my main phone.